Yoga Mahotsav 2022 is a campaign that will be held for 100 days, at 100 places and will include 100 organizations. This campaign will be organized till 21st of June 2022. This was started with the objective of giving publicity and promotion to yoga and its utility. The 100 Days Countdown campaign to International Day of Yoga 2022 for Health, Well-being, and World Peace campaign will also be promoted by this event. Some programs that will be included in the 100-day celebrations are yoga demonstrations, yoga programs, seminars, and workshops in India as well as across the globe. MYoga App, Y-Break app will be propagated during this event. Photo contests, discussions, quiz contests will also be held on the MyGov platform. As part of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, the International Day of Yoga on June 21st will feature 75 heritage cultural sites about common yoga protocol. To commemorate the 100 Days Countdown to International Day of Yoga, IDY 2022, the National Institute of Naturopathy under the Ministry of Ayush will be conducting a yoga session on the theme titled Common Yoga Protocol at Aga Khan Palace, Pune on 30th March. This will be followed by a workshop and a discourse on yoga for immunity in the same premises.